Hi guys, good evening. Happy Tuesday. This is my second Walgreens haul for the week February 5 to February 11. So I did the vitamins deals. Remember, we received spend 30 get $10 Walgreens cash. So I finally did it and pair with Centrum because we have Ibotta offer. I also did the cough deals. So remember, we have spend 30 get $10 Walgreens cash on any cough medicine. So instead of grabbing different items, I just take advantage on the Rebuticin because it's also included on the deal of spend 30 get $10 Walgreens cash because we really use this one. So I just grab these items. I also did the Nivea deal because it's really good. And also I did the Tide Simply as well as the Downy deal. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. Thank you for tuning in on this video. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribers yet, please do consider to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any great deals. And for my returning subscribers, hi, welcome back. And thank you for always watching my videos. I really appreciate you all, guys. And thank you so much for supporting this YouTube channel. So the first transaction I did is an easy detergent deal, no coupon needed. I just grabbed 7 of the Downy and Tide Simply pods for $15.75. You will pay $15.75. You can use Walgreens cash or the $5 PNG manufacturer coupon, but then you will receive $5 register reward or PNG manufacturer coupon, making the 7 detergent for just $10.75 or $1.52 each. Here's my receipt for that transaction. As you can see, that's the 3 Downy $6.75 and the 4 Tide Simply $9. I rolled the $5 PNG manufacturer coupon. My total is $10.75. So I just rolled $10 Walgreens cash and paid 75 cents out of pocket. But then I received this $5 PNG manufacturer coupon again for spending $15 on the Tide and Downy, making that transaction for just $10.75 or $1.53 each. The next transaction I'm going to do is the vitamins deals. I think all of us received this. Spend $30 on vitamins and you will receive $10 Walgreens cash. So the first item I'm going to grab is this Flintstones. These are $9.49. Buy one, get one 50%. We have $3 digital coupon and you can also use a $3 manufacturer coupon. But for this transaction, I used two $3 manufacturer coupon. I also added the Centrum $12.99. I think it's on the wrong spot because the price of this one is $12.99. Buy one, get one 50%. I also grabbed one of the Centrum 80 counts, $10.99, but ring up 50% for $5.49. We don't have any digital coupon or manufacturer coupon, but we have Ibotta offer for $3 each. So for the 2 Centrum, you will receive $6 on Ibotta. Total for these 4 vitamins is $32.71, less $6 manufacturer coupon. For the Flintstones, you will pay $26.71, but then you will receive $10 Walgreens cash for spending $30 on the vitamins and $6 on Ibotta for the Centrum, making these 4 vitamins for $10.71 or $2.50 each. I think that's not a bad deal, $2.50 for Centrum and Flintstones. But I'm also working on my spend $50, get $10 Walgreens cash digital booster. And I'm going to pair spend $40, get $9 Walgreens cash paper booster to get this even cheaper. So I decided to do is the cough medicine deals because we also have spend $30 on any cough medicine. You will receive $10 Walgreens cash. I'm trying to stock up all the digital boosters. Spend 50, get 10. Spend 30 on vitamins, get 10. Spend 30 on cough medicine, get 10. And spend 40, get $9 Walgreens cash paper booster. So I grabbed 2 of this Robitussin, $7.99. And also, if you buy 2, you will receive $5 store register reward. I also have two $2 digital coupon. I also added this Robitussin honey for $7.99, and I also have $2 digital coupon. And the last item I added is the Exardin to complete the $30. It's $7.49. And we have $3 digital coupon. So for the 3 Robitussin and 1 Exardin, the total is $31.46. So yes, I met the spend 30 requirements, received $10 Walgreens cash. We also have a total of $9 digital coupon, $2 digital for the Robitussin, and $3 for the Exardin. After the digital coupon, you will pay $22.46, but then you will receive $10 Walgreens cash for spending 30, and also you will receive $5 store register reward for buying 2 of the Robitussin. Making this 3 Robitussin and 1 Exardin for just $7.46. Or it's like $1.75 each. I think that's a pretty awesome deal. I might do this deal again. I also added 6 Downy and 1 Tide in this transaction for $15.75 because I want to use the P&G manufacturer coupon in this transaction. And I'm also going to use contactless payment so I can redeem Walgreens cash to lower my out-of-pocket. Total for this transaction is $79.93. Yes, I know that's a lot of money. I'm using my PayPal debit card anyway, and I'm also using a lot of register reward and also doing contactless payment so I can redeem $10 Walgreens cash. But there's a little bit issue in this transaction. I just noticed when I'm home because I thought I received the $5 P&G register reward, but then I didn't receive it. I received a lot of coupons, so I thought it's one of those coupons. But then when I check my receipt, it's only 6 Downy and the Tide is not scanned. That's why I didn't receive the $5 P&G register reward. Anyway, here's my receipt for that transaction. As you can see, that's the 2 Centrum, $12.99, $5.49. The 2 Flintstone, $9.49, $4.74. And 6 Downy, $13.50. The 3 Robitussin, $7.99 each. The Exardin, $7.49. My points booster up, spend 40, get $9 Walgreens cash. The 2 $3 manufacturer coupon for the Flintstones. And all my digital coupon came out. $3 for the Exardin. And $2 digital coupon for the Robitussin. I rolled 2 $5 P&G manufacturer coupon, $6 register reward, and $4 register reward. My total is $30.67, so I just rolled $10 Walgreens cash and paid $20.67 out of pocket. But then I received a total of $39.67 Walgreens cash. So I received $10 Walgreens cash for spending 30 on the vitamins, $10 Walgreens cash for spending 30 on the cough medicine, $10 Walgreens cash for spending 50 on my digital booster, and $9 Walgreens cash for spending 40 on my paper booster. I also received the $5 store register reward for buying 2 of the Robitussin. I also received this $5 for spending 20 paper booster. This 20% coupon on regular price item. And this is the one that I thought it's the P&G register reward, and it's for Exardin. So the $5 P&G register reward, I didn't receive it because the cashier accidentally scanned only 6 Downy and not the Tide Pods. But that's okay. I also submit my receipt on Ibotta. I received $6 for the Centrum. So let's calculate how much I pay for this transaction. So for the register reward, I use a total of $32, $2 $5, $6, and $4. $32 register reward, and $30.67 for a total of $62.67. That's how much I pay for this transaction. Now let's calculate the amount I received. So I received $39.67 Walgreens cash, plus $5 store register reward, and $6 on Ibotta. So I received a total of $50.67 in total, less $62.67 that I pay, making it for just $12. So for that transaction, guys, $12 for all, and we have 15 items. It's like 80 cents each. So I think that's not a bad deal. 80 cents for Downy, Centrum, Flintstones, or Robitussin. I think that's a really good deal for me. And the last transaction I'm going to do is the Nivea deal again. This is just a repeat deal because I did this deal on my first Walgreens haul. So I will grab 3 of this Nivea, $8.79. And if you spend 20, you will receive $10 Walgreens cash. So for the 3 Nivea is $26.37, and because these are regular price item, I'm using the 20% discount on regular price item. So the 20% discount will deduct $5.28. It will lead me to pay $21.09 for the 3 Nivea. Then I'm going to use a $2 manufacturer coupon. After the manufacturer coupon, I will pay $15.09, but then I will receive $10 Walgreens cash for spending $20, making the 3 Nivea for just $5.09. But I'm also working on the spend $25 personal care items. You will receive $7 Walgreens cash, so I added this Colgate also. Colgate are $4.99, and if you buy 2, you will receive $4 Walgreens cash, and we have $4 digital coupon. After the digital coupon, you will pay $5.98, but then you will receive $4 Walgreens cash, making the 2 Colgate for just $1.98. So for the 3 Nivea and 2 Colgate, my total is $31.07. So yes, I made the spend $25, get $7 Walgreens cash on personal care items. I'm also using spend $25, get $7 Walgreens cash paper booster in this transaction. And I'm going to do a contactless payment so I can use $5 Walgreens cash to lower my out-of-pocket. Here's my receipt for that transaction. As you can see, that's the 2 Colgate, $9.98. The 2 Nivea, $17.58, less 20% discount, $3.52. The other Nivea, $8.79, less $1.76. So for the 20% discount, it deducted $5.28. And my points booster of spend $25, get $7 Walgreens cash. The $2 manufacturer coupon for the Nivea, and my $4 digital coupon for the Colgate came out, and I also rolled $15 register reward. My total is $6.07, so I just rolled $5 Walgreens cash and pay $1.07 out of pocket. But then I received a total of $28.68 Walgreens cash. So I receive $7 for spending $25 on my digital booster, personal care items, $7 Walgreens cash for the paper booster, $10 Walgreens cash for spending $20 on the Nivea, and $4 Walgreens cash for buying 2 of the Colgate. The 68 cents, that's the everyday points. So for this transaction, I pay a total of $21.07, $15 register reward, and $6.07 total. But then I receive a total of $28.68 back, making my transaction completely free, and $7.61 moneymaker. So for my second complete Walgreens haul that cost $197.61 is only $15.14. Yes, guys, $15 for all of this. And as you can see, we have a lot of Downy, Tide, and we also have Nivea, as well as vitamins and cough medicine. I think $15, it's not a bad deal. Yes, it's not free or moneymaker, but $15 for all of this. And we have a lot of Downy as well as Tide. So I'm happy with that. That's everything I got for you today, guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the notification down below so you will be notified once I have new video uploaded. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any great deals. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next one.